Hey kids, ready for an exciting ocean adventure? Dive deep and meet the gigantic blue whale. Then swim along with the wise sea turtle and watch the glowing jellyfish. Watch out for the fierce great white shark, but don't worry, the playful dolphin is here to show you some fun. And keep an eye out for the sneaky octopus. And that's not all. Glide with the graceful Manta Ray, then spot the tiny seahorse as it sways in the water. Be amazed by the mysterious giant squid and the colorful sea anemone with its wavy tentacles. Don't forget to meet the gentle beluga whale and the playful sea lion as they splash around. First up, we have the mighty blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to exist, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weighing around 200 tons, equivalent to about 33 elephants. These gentle giants primarily feed on tiny krill, consuming up to 4 tons each day. They are famous for their loud, low-pitched songs, which can travel vast distances underwater. Blue whales are mostly found in the North Atlantic, North Pacific, and the Southern Ocean near Antarctica, where they travel in search of food and to breed. The sea turtle is an amazing ocean creature that has been around for over 100 million years. Some can grow up to 6 feet long and weigh more than 1,500 pounds. These gentle animals love eating seagrass and jellyfish, which helps keep the ocean in balance. Sea turtles are famous for their long journeys, often traveling thousands of miles to return to the same beaches where they were born. Unfortunately, many sea turtles are now endangered because of pollution and habitat loss, so it's really important to protect them. The jellyfish is a cool ocean animal with a soft, squishy body and long, flowing tentacles. They have been swimming in the oceans for over 500 million years. Jellyfish can be found in oceans all around the world, from warm waters to cold ones. They are mostly made of water, about 95%, which helps them float easily. Jellyfish eat tiny creatures like plankton and small fish, using their stinging tentacles to catch their food. Some jellyfish can even glow in the dark, but be careful, as some can give a sting if you touch them. The great white shark is a powerful ocean predator that can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 2,000 pounds. They have sharp teeth and strong jaws, making them skilled hunters of seals and other fish. Great white sharks are found in warm and temperate waters around the world, especially near coastlines. These curious sharks can even jump out of the water when they are hunting. While they may seem scary, they play an important role in keeping the ocean ecosystem healthy. The dolphin is a friendly and smart ocean animal known for its playful behavior and can swim up to 20 miles per hour. They live in groups called pods, helping each other hunt and stay safe. Dolphins communicate using clicks, whistles, and body movements, and primarily eat fish and squid. Found in oceans worldwide, they are known for their ability to be trained by humans in various settings. Their friendly nature and acrobatic skills make them beloved by many. The octopus is a clever and mysterious sea creature with 8 long arms and soft bodies. They are known for their ability to squeeze into tight spaces and even change colors to blend into their surroundings. Octopuses are excellent problem solvers and can open jars and escape enclosures. They live in oceans around the world, usually hiding in rocky crevices or coral reefs. These smart animals mostly eat crabs, fish, and other small sea creatures. Octopuses are famous for their ability to squirt ink to escape predators. The Manta Ray is a graceful and gentle giant of the ocean with large flat bodies and wide wing-like fins. They can grow up to 23 feet across and glide effortlessly through the water. Manta rays are filter feeders, eating tiny plankton and small fish as they swim. They are found in warm ocean waters around the world, often near coral reefs. Despite their size, these peaceful creatures are harmless to humans and are known for their curious and friendly nature. The seahorse is a tiny, unique ocean animal with a curled tail and a head that looks like a horse. They swim slowly and upright, using their tails to grab onto seaweed to stay in place. Seahorses mainly eat small sea creatures like tiny shrimp and plankton, which they suck up through their snouts. One of the most amazing things about them is that the males carry the babies in a special pouch until they're born. Seahorses live in warm, shallow waters, especially near coral reefs and seagrass beds. The giant squid is one of the largest and most mysterious creatures in the deep ocean. They can grow up to 40 feet long, with huge eyes to help them see in the dark depths of the sea. Giant squids have long arms and tentacles lined with suckers to catch their prey, like fish and other sea creatures. They live deep in the ocean, far from the surface, and are rarely seen by humans. These deep-sea giants also have a beak-like mouth to help them eat their food, and are famous for their mysterious nature, as we still don't know much about them. The sea anemone is a colorful ocean creature that looks like a flower, but is a predator. It catches small fish using its stinging tentacles and often attaches itself to rocks or coral. Sea anemones can live in warm and cold waters and come in different shapes and sizes. Some animals, like shrimp and crabs, find safety among their tentacles. They can also slowly move around to find better spots in the ocean. The beluga whale is a charming white whale often called the canary of the sea because of its wide range of sounds. These social creatures live in Arctic and subarctic waters and are known for their playful behavior. Belugas can reach lengths of up to 16 feet and weigh around 3,000 pounds. They primarily eat fish, squid, and crustaceans. Belugas also have a unique ability to change the shape of their heads, which helps them communicate and adapt to their environment. The sea lion is a playful marine animal known for its loud, barking sounds. These social creatures can be found along the coastlines of the Pacific Ocean from North America to South America. Sea lions are great swimmers, using their strong front flippers to propel themselves through the water, reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. They primarily eat fish, squid, and other marine animals. Sea lions are also very social and often live in large groups called colonies, where they can be seen lounging on rocks or sandy beaches. What an awesome ocean adventure! We met so many cool creatures, from the gigantic blue whale to the playful sea lion. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting journeys. See you next time!